Today we're checking out the California Extended Brief Top in Black Diamond fitting the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JTs. This brief top is a great option for Gladiator owners who want to enjoy that open air driving while still getting some protection from the sun and the elements. The standout feature of this extended brief top is its ability to provide full front and rear coverage while maintaining that open air experience that Jeep owners love. Unlike a traditional full soft top or bikini top, this brief top offers a low profile alternative that's easy to install and remove when you need. Made from heavy duty black diamond fabric, the same material used in many factory soft tops, this brief top resists UV damage, mildew, and everyday wear and tear. That means it holds up well under harsh sunlight, rain, wind, and all while maintaining a clean, sharp appearance. This top uses buttons, straps, and hook and loop fasteners to secure tightly to your Gladiator Sport Bar system. This ensures that it stays put at highway speeds or when you're off-roading without excessive flapping or sagging. It also comes equipped with reinforced seams and a tailored fit to contour perfectly to your Gladiator's roll cage for a smooth, integrated look. Another highlight is its extended length, and it covers both the front and the rear passengers, making it perfect for those who frequently drive with friends or family in the car. You get shade over both rows of seating, unlike smaller bikini-style tops that only cover the front. This brief top is a great solution for Gladiator owners who don't want the hassle of installing and removing the full soft top every time they want that open-air freedom. It also works well with a combination of the rear cab windbreaker or a tonneau cover to keep airflow under control. This top is made from premium black diamond vinyl fabric, which is known for its toughness, flexibility, and resistance to fading and mildew. Reinforced edges and double-stitch seams enhance that durability, and the mounting straps and the buckles are heavy-duty enough to withstand repeated use without fraying or tearing. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in that low 200s price range. That's a great price for a high quality extended shade solution that offers a custom look and a practical protection for all your passengers. The install on this is extremely simple, so we're gonna rate it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in about 30 minutes of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop, and they're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Tools required for this install include a 6mm Allen wrench. What's up guys? Today we're installing a brief top on our Gladiator, so let's get started. So now I've got our top laid out on the floor. The first thing that we need to do is get our bar installed onto our top. We've got a bunch of these button snaps that we're gonna be installing onto here. So we're just gonna slide this into this pocket and then just work your way across here. And then before I get too far, I'm gonna come over to this side and slide it in that pocket as well. Now we can lift this up onto the Jeep. So now we're gonna bolt down our top. Now we've got this locating pin that's gonna be going into this hole where our freedom panel was. And then we have a bolt with this spacer. You want the rounded side facing up. And we're gonna go through the hole for our latch and thread it into the threaded hole in our top. Tighten this down with a 6mm Allen wrench and do the same thing on the other side. Now we're gonna come to the back. We have this strap with a pin in it that's gonna be going into this hole. So we'll just loosen that up a little bit and then just pull your top tight. Slide that into the hole. And then we can start with our straps. Just come here, pull it nice and tight, and Velcro it down. Next, we're gonna get the strap that's gonna wrap around our B pillar here. Just drop it down behind, pull it nice and tight, and stick your Velcro down. And then we'll move on to our front one. Just wrap it around the roll bar, stick it down, and then repeat the same process on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the California Extended Brief Top in Black Diamond for your 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. Thank you for watching, and for all things Gladiator, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.